Hi, this is Mila, and let's open up a Mini Brands Create garden. I'm really nervous, and I will definitely be comparing whatever comes out with all of the things that are over there. By the way, the pale pink roses in the very corner, those are not from this kit. Those are from the Botanicals mini-verse I opened. But they're just so pretty, I can't help like keeping them there. So I will compare like how it looks, but also the difficulty, what did I do? Just look at this. Like how, I can't even, like they're so difficult to open. Or I have the worst luck ever with the open. No, I'm gonna roll this one out as well. Come on, nope. Anyways, so yes, I will be comparing the looks and then the difficulty and as well the level of complexity. Not a double. Not a double. Don't be a double. Don't be a double. Well, this far I can't say, but at least it's not a bonsai tree. Let's see. Here's the guide. We have more water. What is it? It's something yellow. It's something yellow. This looks so pretty. This looks so gorgeous. There's a couple of roses and some sunflowers. I love it. And it's a vase. Wait, did I? Of course I did. I'm gonna have to hunt this down. Again, the same cactus. I mean, at this point, I feel like I could have gotten something different. All the way down. Okay, let's assemble this. I mean, at this point, you know my theory on those. It's just, I'm not a huge fan because there's not much to be done. But let's keep opening. I'm happy. This means there's like assembly and it's going to be good fun. Ooh, we have a watering can, the vase, and the little support thing at the bottom. Okay, this time I will make sure to like not put a lot, but just to put a little bit of liquid there around. So, okay, so I won't put any liquid on the bottom, maybe. I will put it around, see if it will be easier to insert and not have bubbles with. Let's see. I mean, yeah. Maybe I should read the instructions. Okay, so the yellow one is a common, but it's one of the pretty ones because I didn't want a cactus arrangement. I'm very happy with it. Here's what it says to do. Insert the flowers on the stem and then just put it all in. Put the butterfly, put the water. Okay. How can I muck this up? It seems so simple. So let's start. I'll put a flower here. Will I follow what they suggest for the flowers? Not necessarily. I mean, I do know that I have 4 of the yellow ones and 2 of the white ones. So naturally, I need to do like a 2-1. 2 of the yellow, 1 of the white. So it's not much of a choice, but here's one's ready. And I'm kind of looking forward to actually putting it in the vase and pouring the water because, I messed it up a lot. Not a lot, but like a medium a lot with the purple and white roses in the back. Hey, where's the, oh, there we go. So I kind of want to redeem myself a little bit by making it all pretty and adorable. So yes, let's put flowers on the 2 ends. There we go. Maybe if I put it the other way, it'll be cuter. I just turn it around, just so it's not exactly the same. Or like, Okay, I'll just put it here and then we'll put the rest and see how it looks. Because otherwise it'll be long. Making decisions is hard. Today was a school day and I had to make so many decisions. So now it's like, I'm just going to do it. Forget about making the decision itself. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is this looks pretty disastrous. If I were to put it in the face, maybe it'll be a bit more scrunchy, but I'm not a huge fan of how it looks. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have been creative with where I put stuff. What if I were to twist this around, get a bit more balanced, and if I were to put this one here, this one over there. Okay, this, oh, no. I was gonna say we're getting somewhere, but we're getting nowhere. Come on, go in. Ah, I was not putting it in the correct hole. Okay, don't go there. I know. Okay, see, this looks better. At least I think so. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I feel like once I put it in the vase, it's going to scrunch it up a little bit. And I'll add the butterfly at the end because all I need is for the butterfly to fall. So let's do this. Let's remove this bit. Okay. Doesn't want to... Come on, you can do it. Oh, there we go. And done. Okay, so my plan is to put just a little bit of liquid to avoid having... Or I could just put it on the side. It's actually smart. Well, I guess we'll see how smart it is. If I were to just kind of put a little bit of water on the wall. This way, if I touch something, there we go, like this. So I'll do it in a circle. This way, if I touch something, it's going to just kind of help it slide. Oh, and it just occurred to me that I didn't put this all the way in. There we go. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Oh, this is good. See, this one, it helped it to slide down. And let's put a ton of water. And pouring water. Okay, so I finished pouring and like there's quite a few bubbles. So I think I'll just let it settle in and come back to it. Well, since the bubbles seem to be mostly gone, let's go for the curing. I'll put it like this for a bit and then see where we get. I finished curing it. It's so hot, I think because I just cured it. Okay, and I'm realizing you can't, like it's all pretty, but you can't see the roses. So what I think I'll do, I mean, nobody said it couldn't, is I'm going to swap out one of the roses for a sunflower. And this way, okay, where did it go? There we go. And this way there will be a bit more levels to the flowers. Okay, there we go. So it's from over there. There we go. I think this looks like, I think this looks better. I think it looks prettier. And then if I were to put, no. I don't like it. Do I like it? I don't like it. Maybe if I were to swap this for this. Okay, well at least there's like some play to it. Like I can swap them out as I wish. Okay, yeah, I think I like this better. Yes. Yes, look at this. It's going to be beautiful. I'm going to do this and I'll just clip this in. Come on. No, where'd you go? Okay. Okay, I don't like putting the butterfly in. There we go. But I need it to be lower and it fell out. The eternal battle. Go in. Okay, went in. I still need it to be lower and it's gonna fall out again. Oh, no. Instead, something else fell out. What did it... What? Oh, nothing. Okay. Well, I guess we're good. Okay. I do... You're making me mad. I just need you to tilt forward. That's all I need. Is there a way to put it backward? No, not really. Oh my goodness. This is like the battle. No, I don't like... I need the butterfly to be more visible. Maybe if I were to go and... Ooh, what if I were to go and put it on one of those? Oh, actually, I think a bit higher, though. I'm sorry, this is taking forever, but it's been a lot of decisions days, so now I get to, like, take forever to make a decision. Yay! Okay, so I did clip it on one of the other stuff, like one of those decorative things, not the actual plants that it was supposed to, but look at this. It looks so pretty. I love it. And just wait for the surprise because I just realized something. Give me a second, I'll be right back. I was right. It did look very familiar, but at the same time, look how gorgeous they are together. Like, just imagine having like a big window with like the two vases on the two sides. Like, wouldn't it be gorgeous? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you for the next little moment we get to share together. Bye!